Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, BellezaByDesyi. My name is Daisy Manzano for those of you that don't know me yet. So today I'm going to be showing you how to braid. I'm going to be showing you guys three different braids, the regular cornrow, and then the French braid, and then the Dutch braid. And I'm just going to be showing you step by step on how to do those braids. And if you guys are interested in the video, continue watching, and if you guys haven't subscribed, subscribe down below. So yeah, let's go on with it. Okay guys, so we're gonna get right into the video, and I'm gonna show you real quick the tools that I'm gonna be using. And so I have a brush, a comb, and if you guys have a rat tail it might be easier, but I'm just using the all-purpose comb, a pin just in case I need to pin back my hair, like get it out my face, some bobby pins, and then some elastics just in case I need them. Okay, so for braid number 1, I'm gonna be showing you guys just like the regular braiding technique, the regular 3 brands, and I'm just gonna show you guys real quick. So you're just gonna need a strand of hair, and you're gonna divide that hair into 3. Okay, so you have 3 strands, and you're gonna begin, I usually begin with this side. So I'm gonna cross this over that middle section, and then this third one, I'm gonna cross it over the middle section, and then repeat this first one over that middle, this third one over the middle, and then you repeat again. The first one over the middle, third one over the middle, first over middle, third over middle, first over middle, third over middle, first over middle, third over middle, and then you just continue to repeat those steps. Third over middle, first over middle, third over middle. Okay, and that's, you can just have like little hairstyles like this with this one. But yeah, that's the regular braid. Okay, so for braid number 2, we're gonna be doing the French braid, and it's the braid where you're braiding over the middle strand. So I'm gonna grab a strand from here, from this section, and I'm just gonna comb it through to get all the tangles out. Okay, so this strand I'm gonna divide it into 3 different strands. So you have 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so we're gonna start by grabbing hair from the bottom side, and we're gonna grab a little and then combine it in with that first strand. And then this first strand, once we've combined it, go over that middle strand, and we're gonna go up here and grab hair from the top and combine it with that third strand. And that third strand's gonna go over that middle, and then you're gonna do the same thing. So once again, grab hair from down here, combine it with that first strand, and that first strand's gonna go over that middle. Again, grab hair from the top, combine it with that with that third strand, go over the middle, and again grab hair from the bottom, combine with that first, go over the middle with that first strand, and again grab hair from the top, combine it with that third strand, go over the middle with the third strand, and you just continue doing the same thing. It's a pattern. It's like ABC, ABC, ABC. So again, I grabbed hair from the bottom, combine it with the first, go over the middle, go grab hair from the top, combine with the third strand, go over the middle, and that was that's gonna be my last hair I grab from the top. And now I'm just gonna grab hair And I'm just gonna leave it like this. Okay, so that was my last strands that I grabbed, and now I'm just gonna continue braiding normally. So first over middle, and you're not grabbing hair anymore, it's just to finish out the braid. Third over middle, first over middle, third over middle. Okay, and then that's your French braid, or the braid that's going over that middle. And then, so yeah, that's it. Okay, so for the third braid, I'm gonna be teaching you guys the Dutch braid, which is just braiding under. So I'm gonna begin, same thing I did with the other two braids. Grab a section and then divide that section into three different strands. I'm gonna have 1, 2, and 3. And so it's gonna be the same procedure. And you can grab hair either from the top or from the bottom, it doesn't matter, but I usually start the front. And I'm gonna grab the hair, combine it with that first strand, and instead of going over like we did with the French braid, I'm gonna be going under that middle section. And then grab hair from the top, combine with that third, and then go under, not over, under the middle strand. Okay. And then you're gonna repeat those steps. Grab hair, combine with that first strand, go under the middle. Okay. And then again, grab hair from the top, combine with that third strand, go under the middle, just like that. Grab hair again from the bottom, from the front, combine with that first strand, go under the middle. Again, grab hair from the top, combine with that third, go under the middle. Okay, again, grab hair from the bottom, combine with the first strand, go under the middle, and then one more from the top. Grab hair, combine with that middle, okay, go under the middle. Okay, and that's gonna be it. And now to finish off the braid, I'm gonna continue braiding normally, but I'm still gonna be going under, not over the middle, under. So first strand goes under the middle, under, third one goes under, and then again, first one goes under, third one goes under, and so on. So that's the only difference between the braids. You're braiding under instead of over, and by going under, it's gonna give you that effect of it popping out like a 3D. Okay, and just finish up the braid, clip it back, and with this one, or with all the braids honestly, you can just like tug on the ends to make them look a little bit fuller. But yeah, that's the final braid. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video, and I hope you guys found this video helpful and useful, and I hope I made sense as well. And if you guys like this type of videos, tutorials, just comment down below if you want me to continue doing more videos like this. And if you guys like the video, make sure to thumbs it up, subscribe down below if you haven't, and if you guys did not like the video, you can dislike it. But yeah, I hope you guys found it useful, and I'll see you guys in my next video.